Hello everybody, I want to start first from the motivation. Okay, so suppose you are developing a web application for your client, and this client is very impatient and he wants to see what you are doing. He wants to see his website, and this website is working only on your development machine, and you want to give him a link so he can invoke it and see the beautiful application that you did, but it is working only on your local host. So how can you give him a URL? Another use case is you have a website and you are doing it on development and you want to see it on your mobile device. Yes, you can use Chrome DevTool and there are a few devices there, but you want to see how it looks on your personal device, your real hardware. So you need a link, you need a URL. What can you do? And there are issue called webhook, and in webhook you need also public URL. So how can you use public URL if you are developing your application on your development machine? So this is all a use case that need public URL while you are developing on your local machine. So what to do? Well, the solution is to get a public URL, and this public URL you can get from ngrok, and I will show you in this video how to do it. So first, what I want to do is I want to show you the repo that we are going to use. This is the repo, and I want to clone it. And now let's cd into this. Okay, what I have here is actually a React application, a default React application. So I'm doing here npm install. This will take a few minutes. Now, to start it, we need to do npm start. Okay, so you have this beautiful application. It is working on your local machine, but if you will copy this link and send it to your client and tell him to invoke it, he will get more angry because it will not work on his machine. You need to give him a public URL. So how can we do it? And we do it using a tool that is called ngrok. Okay, and this tool have a free tier which I will use. Okay, but you need first to download it. Okay, so I'm using Windows, so I will download it. This take maybe a minute. Okay, and you see that there is only one file, ngrok.exe, and I already have put it in my machine, and I've put it here. Okay, so I can click here, and now it is very simple. What I have here, you see ngrok.exe. So what I'm doing here is ngrok, this is the exe, http, and I'm giving it, this is still working, okay? And you see that it's listening on port 3000, so I'm giving ngrok 3000, okay? So What I've got now, you see that I've got here a URL, and this is a public URL. I can copy it, and I can send it to my client. Okay, and I will show that it is working. Okay, so as long as this application is working, this URL is also working. But notice two things, and you see that I see also all the requests that was sent to this server, and you see that this session will expire in 8 hours, and it will also expire if I will close it. Okay, so now it is still working because this is the local application, but now I'm not expecting this to work. Okay, and you see that it is not working. Okay, so let's return again, and all of this is, I've summarized it on these slides, and these slides are going to be also here. Okay, you see these slides, and you can access it from here. I will show you. Okay, so let's do a summary of what we did. The tool that I'm using is ngrok. We see the motivation. We have the local application. Okay, we have done npm install, npm start, and the React development server is listening on port 3000. We have installed ngrok using, you need first to sign up. Okay, you sign up here, and then you can work with it. And now we have invoked it with ngrok HTTP 3000 because our server listing on port 3000, and we got a link. This is a link I got before, but it is the same concept. And this is it. Okay, so if you need a public URL for few hours to show your angry client, or you want to check your website or web application using your mobile device, or you need it for webhook, you can use ngrok. Thank you.